This is a 2008 Ford Expedition, a big SUV for big fun. It has a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, running boards, the Secure Lock anti-theft system, fog lamps, roof rails, a stability control system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.